SaVAge K'lub takes the idea and decor of an exclusive gentleman's club and gives it a modern Pacifica spin. It's an intriguing concept. Can't wait to take a peek.
Museums have a responsibility as the kaitiaki, as the guardians. Formed in 1857, the SaVAge K'lub spread all throughout the Commonwealth. And it was men's only, and it pretty much still is today. So, well, if you can't join them, well, you start your own one. So I was going to put the va into the SaVAge, and so the va is a concept that has come from Samoan. It's about space. I wanted to create a space where we could just come together, explore, nurture, and actually really, I suppose, unpack the notion of what a savage is in the 21st century. What is a savage? For APT, I really wanted to have a club room. I brought a group of 20 over. I call it a mixed bag of lollies, but yeah, we have dancers, academics, poets, painters, sculptors. So a lot of times we'll all come together and learn and share off each other. So it's a really enjoyable space. What do you do in a club room? You hang out. If I could have got a pool table in there, I would have. And a bar.